Hello everyone, welcome to ilustraca. In this lecture, I'm going to show you a very simple trick that you can use in RCDC to reduce the repetitive work in while doing a project in RCDC. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see one floor of one of the structures that I have made, and this is a very simple model that I have made for this example. So here, these are the beams, and these beams are already designed. If you see in the design output, these are already designed, right? So, if I just to show you, I will unlock this and I will go to this settings and general and reinforcement, and you can see all the required settings are made, starting from the design settings, the detailing requirement, the bar sizes, material requirement, and the spacings. Okay. You just have a look on all the settings because it will be important in the next part. Okay, fine. So I'll just click on cancel here and I'll go to the load cases. You can see all the required load cases are taken in the primary load case list, and also the load combinations are imported, or you can say made in RCDC, right? Also, if you see the detailing and drawing settings, these are also selected here. Now, what I will do after making these settings, before running the design, what I will do, I'll just save this file. So this file is already saved with the name of lecture 4 beam design 1. Now I have already designed this and it is all the beams are passing. So I'm not going to design it now. What I'm going to show that if I take another floor of this particular project, so what will happen? I'll just go to file and new, and here I will import my STAD model, suppose. And for beam, I'll take this 9 meter, suppose 9 meter level. I'll click on create project. So it will read and fetch the information from the analysis file. So you can see this is the 9 meter level floor plan, and these are the beams. Now, if you go to settings and general and reinforcement, you can see these settings are not similar to the previous one because we have not made any settings. We have not changed. These are the default settings that is coming up. So what we have to do, whenever you are doing the floors, or you can say typical floors, again and again you have to change the settings as per your requirement, and you have to then run the design. Rather than this, what we can do, again, if let me show you the load cases also. You can see the load cases are not taken in the primary load case list. Even the combinations are not created. So now when you are designing this kind of thing and you have a previous file where all these settings are saved, okay, so in that case you can import those settings in your current file. So how you can do that? If you go to file and you click on this import project settings, you remember we have this file that we have opened. So one file under this RCDC saved files, this RCPS file will be created for every file you are saving. So I'll just click on the file that we have opened earlier. This is the beam design 1 lecture 4. I'll click on open, and you can see what are the informations you want to import in this particular file. So I want to import all the project information that we have made, drawing settings, grid lines I don't want because it is already there in this file, load combinations and materials, right? So I'll just click on here and then click on OK. Now you can see some changes have made. So if I just go to settings and general reinforcement, now you can see all the settings that we have made in the previous file, those are now also made in this particular file also very easily. You do not have to do it again and again. Once you save the file after doing the settings, that file you can import to you can say set all the settings that you want to create, right? So if you just go to load case, and you can see the primary load cases are already taken here, and the load combinations also imported or created. Okay, now you can easily run the analysis or run the design, sorry, and you can check whether your members are passing or not, or you can make the required changes if required. It's a project-wise requirement, you can change it actually. So even if it is not the same project, but you want the similar kind of load combinations or similar kind of design settings in your file for a different project also, or because for a different structure also, you can import any project settings from any of your structural file that you have created for in RCDC, but it should be in the current version on the same version. Otherwise, it will be a different difficult to import actually. So this is how you can reduce the repetitive task in RCDC. This is one of the I can say examples I have given. To learn more such detailed, you can say, things about RCDC, starting from the calculation that RCDC is making, how to interpret those calculations, whether those calculations are correct or not, and the detailing settings, and how to create the drawings, how to arrange those. You can join our detailed course on RCDC. You will find the link in the description of this video. You can download our Android or iOS based app, and from there you can enroll to the course. For, you can say, we are providing these kind of courses for very affordable prices, which will be like open to all the professionals, all the students. So you can anytime check those courses if you think that our courses are valuable to your learning journey. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.